D2DNY Real World HVAC Simplified. And now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your window unit or your window AC unit, portable AC unit. So I got some 419 cleaner or degreaser. Anything of this sort will work. Doesn't have to be exactly this. It's got a regular old toothbrush, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a hose. Okay, so I'm just cleaning this for a friend. All right, a friend asked me to clean it for them, and so I'm doing them the favor. As you can see, it's very dirty, very dirty. Stay tuned. So first thing you're gonna have to want to do, I recommend removing it from the window first. All right, so that's the front cover that I removed. You can see what's going on here. It's rather disgusting. All right, so what you're going to want to do is use your Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to take out all these screws that's aligned to get the cover off, this bit right here. All right, so we got some more screws on this side. You know, take them all out. Actually, this one here don't have to come out. You can leave that one, but this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's remove that, and then you can get the cover off. This one here, this one there. All right. Now there's also a few screws on top that you got to remove as well to get your cover off. And then let's see. Now when you're doing this, take care to make sure that you don't get the electronics wet. So what I'm going to do here, I think I'm just going to unscrew this and leave this bit to the side, because you don't want to get this bit wet, this piece wet. And like I said, you don't want to get any water. Be careful not to get any water into the electronic section. So you don't have to remove this, you can leave it, but I'm going to remove it just because I can. It's going to unscrew this and leave it dangling. Here's the electronics. You want to keep this bit right here dry as you do the cleaning. This section right here. No water, please. No water over here. See right here is very filthy. Got it rolled up over here. Disgusting. We'll get my gloves on. Alright. So stay tuned, remember. Ew, disgusting. This is really disgusting. Look at it. Oh, so filthy. Okay. So I'm gonna clean all of this. All right. There's a little birdie. All right, so let's get it cleaning. Now there was 3 screws that was holding the front cover. All right, 3 screws holding the front cover. 3 screws holding the front front plate. Okay, there was one right here, one down there, and one right here. Again, you don't have to do this much. You could simply clean it just the way it is without taking the front piece off, but I'm doing that. All right, and then here I'm gonna go as far as just unplugging this bit right here, unplugging this, so I can just completely free up the front part, you know, so I can clean away. All right, so stay tuned. Now, like I was saying to you, you don't have to go to that extreme and removing the front cover like I did, but I just did that because, as you know, I am a pro and I am comfortable doing that. But really all you need to do to really clean this thing right here is to remove this piece and this part, and then you can get inside and do all your cleaning. All right, but you know, because as a pro, I don't mind doing all that stuff, extra bit. If you don't mind it, then go ahead and do it, it's fine. I also added a garbage bag just to cover the electronics, because if you wet that, if that gets wet, game over. Might as well throw this thing in the garbage. Okay, so let's get it cleaning. Got my 419. Just gonna spray everything up. Spray everything up nice and good. Spray everything up. Spray it up. And you want to kind of like avoid putting too much water on the motor. This motor right here in the middle right here. This is the motor. You know, just try to avoid, you know, putting too much water on that. Okay? Just go ahead and spray it up best as you can. Cleaning this down. And also spray this piece up as well. Let the greaser or the cleaner work, whatever cleaner you're using. Let it work. And just pardon me if my voice is kind of low right now, because I lost my voice a few days ago. All right, but you don't need me to talk. You see what I'm doing. Let's spray it up real good, real good. And you're gonna use your toothbrush and your hose and go to work. Go to work on it. All right. Make sure you get inside of the coil. Very important. Inside of the coil, inside of the fan wheel. Spray it nice and good. This whole process will take about 30 minutes. So far so good. Just remember, do not get any water on the electronics. Protect the electronics at all times. Yeah, this stuff works really, really good. Really good. I think this is ale damage on the coil. That's fine. I think it's really good. Really simple. As I said, pardon me, my voice is not so strong right now. I've lost my voice. So, but you see what I'm doing. Now what I would suggest, give it a twice over. So do it like 2 times. Do it twice. Okay, so you can once you do that again, you're gonna hit it again with the cleaner 409 or whatever. But let's get the water out of here first. Tilt this over like so, gently. Don't want to damage anything. Looking better already. So I'm gonna give you another coating of cleaner and then second wash, second rinse. Now here's a tip. As you clean it, make sure that you focus on this coil right here. It's your condenser coil. You want to hit this like 3 or 4 times, right, to make sure that you clean all the crap out of it. It looks clean from the outside, but on the inside, I don't know if you could see that, but you want to make sure you get all the crap out of the condenser coil, all right? Because this thing is going to work like almost like brand new. With it, it'll be working like brand new. It's gonna make sure you get all the crap out of the condenser coil. So you gotta hit it like several times. Focus your energy on getting this coil clean, because it looks clean on the outside, but on the inside is where all the crap goes and gets clogged up. Right in there. Okay. So yeah, you can see it's coming out pretty nice comparing to what it was before. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit it one more time and put it back together. I said you want to focus your energy inside of the this area here, because that's where all the crap is all the crap, gunk on the coil, on the condenser coil. So if you don't do that properly, then this whole thing will be pretty much a waste. All right. Focus your energy on the condenser coil. There's a lot of dirt build up. This thing is probably about 8 years old. There's a lot of dirt build up inside of the condenser section. It looks clean on the outside, but never mind that. Just keep pushing the water through it. The water with the soap or the detergent. So I think I'm just about done right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. Stay tuned. So that's it, guys. Now all you have to do is reverse the process and put it back together. There's a finished product, you can see it. And my electronics is nice and dry. Alright, this right here is the evaporator fan. That's your condenser fan. Like I said, when you're cleaning this, if for this to make any sense whatsoever, you got to focus on cleaning out all the crap from inside of the condensing section, because this is a condensing fan right here, this back bit right here, and if you don't, it won't work like new. You got to get all the crap out from inside of there. Now you can go ahead and remove this whole shrouding thing, but it's a bigger job, and you know, I want to do this in about 20-30 minutes. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. I do upload videos on a weekly basis. Alright, so I usually don't do stuff like this, but you know, here's a special one. That's the finished product. Just make sure you put back the foam nice and sealed. Make sure it's all snug in there. Okay. And then put your cover back on, and you're done. Now, one thing I want to point out is that when it comes to putting the screws back, it might become a little tricky. You see how the hole is not perfectly lined up, but the screws is pointing, so just, you know, use your finger and just work it in, you know what I'm saying? Wriggle it in, get it in line. Alright, but that's pretty much it, guys. It's all done here. Okay. Nice and clean.